As you can guys see, this is a Samsung oven. A client has given us this Samsung oven. We have checked this oven and the problems were in the transformer. We have replaced this transformer and now we are gonna check this oven. It has worked. Thanks for watching.